we ti cha chao ti ti ta khét ta tao ti ti ta khét ta chao ti ti ta khét ta tin rất khét ta khét ta chao ti ti ta khét ta tao ti ti ta khét ta chao ti ti ta khét ta tin rất khét ta khét ta.
इसका अर्थ क्या है? थैंक यू। सबसे मजा की बात देखिए, झाऊ टितिन टाखेटा ताऊ टितिन टाखेटा, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ stressed sound and unstressed sound, guru and laghu, jha and ta. Our bowls, Bengal's bowls are always jhaurgi jargiz ghinita tilita tilita ta ta jhaurgi jargiz ghinita tilita tilita ta. That's a combination of guru and laghu. So again that, and the inner meaning of pranam, this we have 10 corners. So 8 corners were worshipping, okay, in front of Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, then Anjali, close, then Panchanga Pranam. The 5 part is touching the Mother Earth, that 9 corner, and you all, the spectators, then God, and in front Guru, and you all, please bless me and allow me to dance. This is humble. Humbly we are approaching. Please allow me for dance. This is the pranam ka arth. Okay. Now I'm showing little bit because time is very scarcity. Their time. So few nritya hasta. मजाक की बात है, हैंड जेस्चर्स वी कॉल हस्ता. सो हस्ता जब भी पूछता है तो सबको बोलता है असमयुक्त समयुक्त. नो, फर्स्ट वी हैव 2 टाइप्स ऑफ हस्ता, नृत्य हस्ता, नृत्य हस्ता. नृत्य हस्ता in RITTA it means pure dance hasta, dance for rhythmic pattern, ornamented. So in Natya Shastra there is 30 nritya hasta and we have 27 types. And Nritya Hasta, it is with emotion, okay, used for any bhava. So it is mainly 2 types, Asamyuta, Samyuta, and the third one, Mishra, means Asamyuta, combination of life. This Pataka is Asamyuta Hasta. And Samyuta Hasta, unison of the both hands, Anjali. And Mishra. So one hand is Mushti and a Kataka Mukham. So together the different hand gestures. So this is called Mishra. So 3 types we have. So to me Nritya Hasta Direkta Rakha. Nitamba Hasta, then Kari Hasta, elephant. So these are all Nritya Hasta, Avidya Bhaktra. Such type 27 in number. Now Asamyuta Hasta, 30 in number. In Natya Shastra there is Asamyuta Hasta 24. In Abhinaya Darpan, used by Bharatanatyam, later Kuchipudi. Then when Odissi evolved out, they used to do this Abhinaya Darpan of Nandikeshwara and Mohiniyattam. These 4 dance forms use this book. Abhinaya Darpana, why Rukmini Devi Arundel used that? Mirror of gesture written by, translated by Ananda Kumar Swami in the year 1917. It's only in English translation. But in the year 1934, Dr. Monomohan Ghosh, who translated Abhinaya Darpanam, so Sanskrit and English. So when Rukmini Devi Arundel is preparing in reconstructing Bharatanatyam, she utilized this because that time Natya Shastra was not translated, not in the market popularly, total, complete volume. If you go to the Sangeet Natak Academy library, you can see Natya Shastra 1948, 51, like that, the edition total. So 1934, it was translated and propagated So Rukmini Barundel utilized that. It is by Dr. Padma Subramanian he mentioned, and I'm so grateful for her. So in our case, we have two books, important books. One is Sangeet Damodar, another is Sri Hasta Muktavali, written by a Bengal scholar, dance scholar. I have translated this, though I am from the discipline of science, but I have studied under my guru, Dr. Malabindu Shastri, and he helped me. He is no more now. Sangeet Damodar and Sri Hasta Muktavali. Sangeet Damodar is published from Asiatic Society, Kolkata, and Sri Hasta Muktavali from Sanskrit Sahitya Parishad in their 100-year celebration. So according to the name is nomenclature is so beautiful. Sangeet Damodar. Damodar means the way. Damodar means Lord Krishna, the way of flow. Sangeeta Damodar and Sri Hasta Muktavali. Sri means beautiful, Sri means pure, Sri means Lakshmi, and Hasta Muktavali, the collections, gems of the Hasta. So, according to Sangeet Damodar, Sri Hasta Muktavali, written by Pandit Shubhankar of 13th to 15th century, North Bengal.
Asmyutanam Hastanamuddisha Kriyate adhuna Shubhankarena Kavina Nana Vinaya Shalina Pataka Padmakoshancha Hamsasya Kartari Mukha Alapadma Tripataka Mushtika Shikharastatha Ardhachandra Sarpashira Suchasya Khatakmukha Arala Shukatundasya Samdam Sa Kangulastatha Urnanava Opi Kathita Kapitva Mrigashirshaka Hamsapaksha Tamrachurashya Chatura Mukulastatha Brahmarashya Kadambashya Krishna Sara Mukhabhaya Gronika Opyatha Singhasya Ankusha Tantri Mukhastatha.
So Natya Shastra, our root